locally known as Pitron, guys. No folks, did you know that their tail can act as a beacon, making this prehensile in nature? The definition of prehensile is being able to grab. So we can grab sa mga object na kasing galing lang ng ating mga kamay. Yes po, ganyan ang kanilang tail. Same sa mga monkeys na ipapakita yan ni Teddy. Ngayon, hapon po. Alright, now Teddy, are you ready to jump? Ayan na siya, guys. Wait lang. Kasi mo rin, humana ka ng pwesto. Hindi ka ba? Ayan yan. Don't take yung mga ayan, yung pwesto lang. Ayan na. Oh boy, ready ka na? Ayan na siya, folks. There you go. That was pretty hands up here. They're doing that in the wild to get some fruits. Hanging from a crunch. Pero bakit po natin si Teddy, guys? Now, folks, may direct attention to your right na naman. That is the older brother of Teddy, na si Uno. Once again, folks, that is Uno, our other Palawan Bearcat. Now, guys, Palawan Bearcat are endemic here in the Philippines. Literally there, folks. Again, dito lang po sila sa Pilipinas. Makikita particularly sa Palawan. And guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of standing up using his two hind legs. That's guys, basic lang yan sa kanyang box. Alright, now Uno, up. Nakalayo lang yan sa Uno, guys. Ayan na. Wait lang, folks. Ay, pag-ibig ko, maaari. Kasi may pagkamahiyan kasi ko siya, guys. Okay lang. Ayan na. There you go. That is 200 in action. Well, thank you so much, guys. Fun fact pala about Palawan Bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, ganyan po ang amoy ng kanilang pupo, guys. Once again, their poop and their feet actually smells like a fresh popcorn. And guys, they are omnivores. So kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas at karne. At ngayong hapon, kuya, sana binigay mo kayo ngayon ng kuya. Pakita ko sa kanila, kuya. Ano yan, folks? Saging or banana, which is good. Once again, omnivores sila, ha? May tanong mo rin ako sa inyo. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore, how about meat or karne? Carnivore, sa herbs, grasses at karne? Omnivore, galing, ha? Okay, ito na ulit, last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas?
Fruit salad!
Ha?